Yıldız Technical University, with the vision of being a leading institution of international standing, represents a unique milieu of education, research, and culture in Turkey. Yıldız Technical University inherits our outstanding science, technology, and culture, pioneering open access to academic research, technology, and the arts. In addition to its academic standing, Yıldız Technical University offers its students a lively social environment. Student clubs that take part in various activities ranging from volunteer projects to extracurricular entertainment and educational events, as well as a broad variety of cultural and artistic occasions, give students the opportunity to lead an active academic life. Being one of the most well-known universities in Turkey, it is conducive to the achievement of the goal of the development and welfare of society. Yıldız Technical University, one of our leading government institutions, is situated on 2 campuses in Istanbul. It is the 3rd oldest university in Turkey, with its history dating back to 1911. Today, Yıldız Technical University has 11 faculties, most of which are related to engineering, 2 graduate schools, 3 vocational schools, 1 school of foreign languages, and more than 34,000 students. Yıldız Technical University offers a range of programs at the undergraduate and graduate levels. From the science and engineering disciplines to arts and humanities, it also provides opportunities for qualified students and academicians to participate in exchange programs. In line with the 21st century entrepreneur university model, while making contributions to research and development activities in our country, Yıldız Technical University commenced operations in certain technological development areas and founded Yıldız Technopark in 2003. Yıldız Technopark hosts more than 7,500 research and development companies in many sectors, such as software, information and communication technologies, electronics, the pharmaceutical industry, the machine and equipment industry, chemistry, the aviation industry, the defense industry, civil work, and the food industry.